Okay, we are in the French Quarter of Port Orleans, and we're on the ground floor in building 6, and looks like your pretty standard room, 2 full-size beds. We do have an adjoining room because we do have other people staying with us. Welcome. They have just a little table and chairs, our little radiator heater. All this is cute. They make a little Mickey for us. Hope your room feels welcoming and adds to the amazing memories you will celebrate here. Thank you for choosing Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter Resort, the housekeeping team. Very nice. Looks like you got just your standard little dresser. There's a fridge here in the cabinet below the TV. This one does have extra space under your bed to shove all your luggage down under, which is nice, especially if you're staying here with a family. We've got a little bench here, a place to hang maybe some backpacks or purses. The bathroom is the curtain. If you've ever stayed at Disney before, sometimes they just separate with a curtain. We've got a little closet area here. Bathroom, double sinks, and a toilet and bathtub. Along with a big mirror, you have a makeup mirror here. Of course, it'll come with a hair dryer as well. So all in all, not too bad. Pretty standard room, but very cute with a New Orleans vibe. I forgot to mention that they made this little Mickey also out of bath towels and put them on our bed. Cute little touches that Disney does.